So the Seychelles Nature Trail is a signature ecotourism event designed to showcase the island's rich biodiversity while encouraging active explorations. So following the success of its first edition, which was in 2023, this second one is built on the concept by offering guided environmental, responsible hiking experience that combines both nature, culture, and of course physical activity, because at the end of the day it is of course a challenge. So participants can expect an immersive journey through Seychelles' lush forest, our pristine coastlines, and heritage sites, of course, which are all curated to highlight the unique ecological value of our country.